Hello, the last video was about future value of an annuity, and this video is about the present value of an annuity. So let's go ahead and get started with an example. So in this example, you used some money that you had already saved up for the down payment for a car, and now you need to borrow a little bit more money because your savings are not quite enough to pay for the entire car. So you get a 5-year loan at a nominal rate of 8%, compounded monthly. Your monthly payment is $450. How much more money would you have needed to not take out this loan? So like if you could have just paid for this car in cash in full at this very moment, how much money would you need so that you don't have to take out the loan? And then once you figure that out, we'll want to know how much will you end up paying in interest due to this loan. Okay, so to find the present value of this annuity, we will use the equation shown here. And this will help us answer the question of how much more money would you have needed to not take out this loan? So our shortcut equation for the present value of an annuity is shown right here. R is your monthly payment. So in this case, R is $450. I is your interest rate at each payment period. So since we are having an 8% interest rate divided by 12, I is equal to 0.08 divided by 12. And that comes out to be 2/300. And then finally, we need to know N, which is the number of payments that we make. And you're paying monthly over 5 years, so we have 60 payments. So we can go ahead and write all this in here. So 450 times 1 minus 1 plus 2/300 to the negative n, and n is 60. All of that over I, and I is 2/300. So we go ahead and crunch that out, and we get $22,193 and about 30 cents. So if you did not need to take out the loan, you would have needed $22,193.30. So that's the so-called present value of this annuity. But unfortunately, you don't have all that money, and so you do need to take out that loan. So how much will you end up paying in interest? And if we think about it, when you pay money every month, it's going to one of two things. It could be going towards the present value of the annuity, or in other words, it's going towards the car, or it's going towards the interest. That's the only two places that your money is going every month. So if we just take the present value and add it to the interest that you'll pay, that will equal the total amount that you're paying. So in other words, everything you pay over the next 5 years is $450 a month times 60 payments, 60 months, and that's $27,000. So over the course of the next 5 years, you're paying $27,000. And like we said, all the money, all of that $27,000 is either going towards this present value of your car, or it's going towards the interest. So we know the present value of the car is $22,193.30. That means that the interest you're paying is $4,806.70. So this is the amount of interest you pay. Okay, so during the course of this 5-year loan, you will end up paying nearly $5,000 in interest. So yes, it would have been ideal if you had had this extra $22,193 sitting around, but that's kind of how life works. Usually we don't have enough money for the things we want, and so that's why the car dealer or the bank or whatever has these loans that you can take out so that you can get the car now and pay for it later. Okay, so this video was about the present value of the annuity, and like I said before, the last video was about the future value of the annuity. So either way, you're paying in every single month or maybe every single quarter, and then we're seeing how much is this annuity worth right now, or how much is it worth at the end. So that is it for annuities.